more than just car insurance with service in all 50 states. The Geico Skytypers are getting into position to pay a tribute and salute to all of our military members, their families, and all of you who support them with our next formation. We appreciate your service. Watch as the solos join the rest of the flight. The boss maneuvers them into a special formation. Unlike the modern jets that have a lot of power and speed, these pilots use energy management and geometry and timing to get back into formation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Geico Skytypers Watch to deliver his ordnance, while number 6 maneuvers to shoot him down from behind. Received a long list of diverse awards and testimonials for their service. Their focus on helping people can be seen in every aspect of their operations. Let's watch straight ahead and see what the solos have in store for us. As the solos pull into the vertical, they will once again cross at 180 miles per hour and turn their smoke on. Here they are, and it looks like a heart. The two solos are on. Keep your eyes forward as the diamond formation transformed into a challenging vertical diamond and tends to fly through the center. In this vertical diamond, the reference to wing we use changed completely as they now have to go almost straight up to reference the lead aircraft. Now, use enemy gunners on the ground. As the Geico flight departs and rejoins into a defensive 4-ship formation, watch high above the target area again as the two aircraft are dispatched to assess the damage. The two FAC aircraft are now inbound and are looking over the target area for any missed targets. This maneuver displays the aircraft's ability to perform an energy-sustaining tight radius turn and serves to illustrate what can happen if two enemy aircraft should become engaged in a no-advantage air-to-air encounter. For the moment, neither pilot is able to take a shot and score a victory with his guns on his opponent. After being engaged in this no-encounter, they'll break it off and disengage. This single-engine tandem seat trainer than any other World War II trainer. The SNJ was designed in the late 1930s and well into the Korean War during the early 1950s, retiring as a Navy trainer at 100 pounds each, and uses 600 horsepower, supercharged, 9-cylinder radial engine, the Pratt & Whitney R1340. Watch the precision of the pilots as they constantly adjust to hold their position on the flight lead while maintaining only a few feet of wingtip clearance. This type of formation flying requires concentration and a high degree of flying skill developed and refined over many years. Pleased to demonstrate some of the unique capabilities of these vintage aircraft with you today through a series of demonstrations and maneuvers. The flight lead will now release both outboard solo pilots in a further demonstration of the aircraft's maneuverability. Watch the solos as they turn their smoke on and cross, pulling into each other's flight paths with only a few feet between them, leaving little margin for error. After the aircraft cross, the solo pilots will return to show center.